Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a fox wearing a scarf and a sweater, and they're all cozy, ready for the cold winter weather. Alright, so I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to start by drawing the fox's eyes. So I'm going to do a little circle here and a little circle here, and then I'm going to do another little circle inside and color the biggest part in black. Okay, so now I'm going to do the little fox's nose. So it's like a triangle, little triangle shape, and color it in black. And now I'm going to give him the top of his head. So we're just doing a little curved line here. And he needs 2 ears, kind of like a triangle shape. And then his face is going to come on out a little bit with some little bits of fluff, little bits of fur on either side of his face. Now inside his ear, we can do a little triangle shape, color that in black if we want. Now we can give him a little mouth. The mouth is almost going to be like a little wave, like that. It's going to come down, come up, and down, come up. And now I'm going to give him little ovals here on his cheek. So I'm going to color those in pink, and they're going to be like little blushy cheeks. And now I'm going to do a little line here coming out to the side, and another little line here on this side. Okay, so this is going to separate the 2 different colors of his face. So this part of his face is going to be like kind of like a deep orange color, and then down here is going to be more of a grayish light color. Okay, so now we're going to give him a little bit more face fluff. And I'm going to give him a scarf. So I'm going to draw a line here and give it a little squiggle here on this side. And do the same over here. A little squiggle, it's a thick scarf. And come on across. And now we can have it hanging down on this side. So draw a line and then a straight line here, and then come on up. And we can give it little tassels here on the end, little fringes. And now he needs a little sweater. So I'm gonna give him a little sweater with pockets. So first we'll give him his little arm here. So we just did a little line. We can draw across here. And come on down again, so we got a sleeve. And give him a little mitten, so we got a little thumb here. And then the rest of his hand. And now we're going to come across here. And he's going to have pockets here for a sweater. So one little pocket, a little spot right there, a little slanted line. And same over here, another little slanted line. Little pockets. And over here he needs another little hand, so I think maybe we'll draw him waving. So we got our line coming up. We're gonna do a little line here and bring it back to his body, and then we're gonna give him a little mitten again, so a little thumb and the rest of his glove. Alright, so he's got his little sweater, and we're just going to draw his tail. So it's coming from behind his body. So we got a curved line here, and then we're curving it back. And then we're doing a little zigzag here at the top. And now we can't really see, but he's going to be wearing pants, but we can't really see those pants. But we'll draw a line coming down here and a line coming down here. All right, so now I'm going to get started coloring. Alright everyone, we are done our picture of our fox, all ready for the winter snow. So I hope you had a good time drawing, I hope you had a really good day, and I hope to see you again for the next Daily Doodle. Alright everyone, bye!